So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all fine and doing well. So some of you people don't have that budget who can afford a webcam to their PC to attend meetings and live streaming on YouTube with a webcam. So in this video we are going to sort out that how can you use your mobile phone as a webcam on your PC to attend your online classes and live streaming on YouTube with a webcam and all kind of stuff that you want to control with using a webcam. So without wasting time, let's begin. All you have to do is open your Chrome browser, and I will give this link on the description below. So this is the Ivcam application that you have to download on a PC and as well as on your Android. So the link in the description, you can download it from there, Android and PC application. So you have to click on free download, then cut this article, then interface will be open. Here you have to click on free download, and then after some second it will download automatically. So I have downloaded this application, so I will not download it yet. So I will cut this interface, and I have make my shortcut on my desktop of this application. You have to go on your downloads in your user section. So right click on that icon and just click on run as administrator, and when you will click, it will ask you for run the application. You have to click and unbox the run as startup menu, because it will automatically start whenever you will start your computer. So it will install automatically, so you have to click on finish. Then this application will be start, and here you can see please run Ivcam. It is asking you for also open the Ivcam on your Android. So how will you open on your Android? So first go on your Play Store and type in the search bar Ivcam, and the most recommended result you have to click on it, and the first result you have to click on it and just download it. And after that you have to open your Ivcam on your mobile. Here you can see I am opening my Ivcam on my mobile phone. So yeah guys, you have to note that you have to stay on the same network. You have to stay on the same network with your PC and mobile. You have to on your hotspot in your mobile to connect your PC. So after connecting, you have to go start your Ivcam on your PC, and after starting, you can see there it will automatically connect your mobile to the phone. You can see in the right bottom side my mobile is connected to my PC. What I am doing is happening on my PC with a camera. So you can also attend now any meeting and make live streams on your YouTube channel. So you can also customize the setting to your 4K. If you have good mobile, you can also run it on your requirement. So yeah guys, I am running out on medium and 60 fps, so you can also customize it. So yeah guys, that's a video that how you can make your mobile as a web, use it for your PC. So thank you for watching guys. If you got help with this video, so like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And thank you for watching guys, and have a nice day.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.